And welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Threads app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Threads app. Okay, so if it's not working for you, then you have to follow these steps. Just press and hold into the app, and then you have to click on the I button. After then here you have to click on the storage option at the last. Okay, then here you have to click on the clear data. Here just click on delete. After then you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked for you, then you have to follow these steps. So here we can see it's open. Okay, so if it's not work for you, then you can open your Google Play Store search bar and search for the Threads app. Okay, so at here we can see, just click on here, then you have to check for update, like here updated, and it will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.